Hello and welcome back to our lessons on small group learning with playlists and game boards. In this lesson, you are going to be creating your own playlist or game board based on your lessons in your classroom. So the first thing that we want to do is we will want to select the format. So if you go back and recall the last lesson we had, you will choose one of the various forms for creating a game board or a playlist, and then from there you will decide how you want to set it up. So in this lesson I have included some formats and some samples here for you. So this is the same slide that was in the last presentation. However, now there are some links here. And so if you click on the underlined portion, you will get an example of a game board. And the same thing with playlists. An example of a playlist is here. There is an example of what a menu board might look like, a tic-tac-toe board, and a bingo board. There's also here a resource, Playlists 101, that has additional resources if you're still a little confused about how you should set these up or what you need to do. In the last slide, there are some templates for you to use. So the first one here is to create your own template, and it goes through how you can do this on a Google Doc. But there are already created boards that you can open up and make a copy of. So there are several different game board options here. There is a playlist option for using hyperlinks, a menu board. It's set up so that you could create it just as a running list, or as the one in the previous slide, you can make it nice and fancy and make it look like it's a menu from a restaurant. There's also a tic-tac-toe board that's generic and a bingo board that is generic. So here are the templates and some examples on the previous page. So enjoy making these game boards, and I'm sure that your students will have lots of fun.